The following is an excerpt from the 2023-2024 budget presentation by Prime Minister the Most Honourable Andrew Holness.
I'm pleased to update this Honourable House of the following achievements. We have now confirmed the Kingston and St. Andrew Pedro Keys Development Order. NEPA has prepared master plans for Halfway Tree and Constant Spring planning areas that are now being finalized, and it is anticipated that the plans will be approved by the Town and Country Planning Authority within the first quarter of the new financial year. It is further anticipated that we will be in a position to confirm development orders for St. Thomas, St. Elizabeth, and the municipality of Portmore in the new financial year. Despite the robust economic contributions made by the construction sector, the government cannot ignore the negative impacts from some of these developments, as well as the impact on our citizens who live within close proximity of the development. Not all developers and contractors and investors present a challenge. Some are very professional. There are some who do not comply with the environmental safeguard, the planning laws, the Building Act, and the Building Code. They pay little regard. They negatively impact spaces. They destroy trees and foliage. They damage verges and roads. And they leave behind concrete spills, which creates a hazard for the road. They do this without facing any penalty or having to compensate. The government has taken the decision to impose impact fees to mitigate against damage, against improper and unprofessional development. From these impact fees, the NWA and the municipal authorities, where appropriate, will execute a program to remediate and restore. The impact fees will be predicated and determined by using a calculation that will take into account the condition of the communities prior to the start of construction. The rationale, purpose, structure of the fees, management, as well as the details of the administration and operations of the impact fees will be outlined in a ministry paper that I will table in the first quarter of this new financial year. We don't want to stop development. We are the government of development, but we are also the government of order. Order. Order.